Now more than ever, it's clear that you can't depend on a job. If you have a health emergency and can't go to work and are stuck at home, what are you going to do? You need a side hustle, a different source of income, passive income. Passive income, multiple streams of income. You didn't know you could make money online? In 2010, when I started looking for ways to make money online, I was afraid to commit to a platform and spend money. I didn't know which one to buy. Everybody that makes money online needs tools, needs software. Everybody that makes money online needs training and a mentor. Builderall is the most complete digital marketing platform, has 30 apps that you can make money with. Builderall is very beginner friendly, and so that's why I made my decision to become a Builderall affiliate. If you ever considered making money online, and especially now in these times, this is the platform for you. If you're afraid because you don't know how to do things online, you don't know how to make web pages, you don't know how to make sales funnels, this is the plan for you. Builderall has all the training that you need. It has websites with training on them, and has Facebook groups with support, and there are people from Builderall in the website groups that answer questions right away. It's the most supportive groups, the most supportive platform I've ever been part of. You will be an expert in no time. And if that's not enough for you, there's a 14-day free trial to try it out. But you're going to want to spend some money on this platform. It's $69.99 per month for the premium platform where you get all the tools, but you can get it for free. If you believe it or not, you can get it for free. Check it out.
Roger is a young entrepreneur and is still learning, researching, and deciding on what type of business he will build online. Yet he is still making money while getting his business off the ground. Working only a few hours a week with the incredible leveraged affiliate system from Builderall, Roger can generate a new sale every day while growing his client base and affiliate network, which today generates more than $500 every week. Roger is still going to school and learning the market, but one thing he already knows: the combination of a great offer, sales funnel, and leveraged affiliate system can generate a lot of money online. Roger is extremely happy with all he has accomplished with Builderall, and his future looks incredibly bright. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your million-dollar idea into a million-dollar business. Andrew is a digital marketing professional and works as an affiliate. As a digital marketing professional, Andrew was used to spending hundreds of dollars every month buying many different tools. Things changed when he found out about Builderall. By adopting our platform, he saved both time and money, since all the tools he needed were within Builderall's unlimited system. Andrew can create dozens of funnels to build lists with capture pages, split testing, and conversion stats. He is also capturing, managing, automating, and sending unlimited numbers of marketing emails. Today, Andrew has more than 50,000 emails registered in different niches and can sell his products and promote launches every week using Builderall's webinar tool. With Builderall, Andrew has everything he needs in one place. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your million-dollar idea into a million-dollar business. Martha works with multi-level marketing and managed to create an incredible entrepreneur recruiting funnel for her business opportunity. In this funnel, she has a page with a video to capture emails that are connected to an autoresponder sequence, webinar registration, confirmation, and presentation pages, where she has a registration link to redirect potential clients straight to the business offers she represents. With the Builderall Auto Funnel, Martha can duplicate and share the same funnel to all entrepreneurs in her network. They don't even have to edit the funnel since it is already done for them. Today, Martha is one of the top sellers of her company. She loves to work with Builderall. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your million-dollar idea into a million-dollar business.